everyone, Myra here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng fresh na peachy makeup using the Vice Cosmetics makeups. Ayan. So, first time kong bumili ng Vice Cosmetics. So, what we're going to do for today is I'm gonna teach you how I achieve that peachy look na pang everyday. And I'm gonna be sharing with you at the same time my thoughts on these products kasi ngayon ko lang talaga sila napaglaruan and I haven't done any reviews on them, so I'm gonna share them with you as we go along. But this is not a first impressions video because I've already tried them out as soon as I got the package. Ibinuksan ko na talaga siya, hindi ako nakapaghintay, at I already tried them on. So I know what kind of look and finish each product gives. So, i-share ko lang siya sa inyo. To start off, I already have a foundation on that is the Duo Finish Foundation from Vice. I do have a separate video on the review on this product. So, lalagay ko na lang yung link down in the description box so you can check it out. But so far, ito siya. Ayan. Next is we're going to apply For Sure as a bronzer. Ito siya. This is For Sure. And alam nyo ba guys, I tried to swatch this and this actually, ito yung itsura niya. Yung shade niya, this is very much close to the one that I am currently using and the one that I really love. Itong sa Wet n Wild Contour Dulce de Leche. Let me give you a swatch. So, ito yung kay Vice. And then, ito yung sa Wet n Wild. They're quite close yung shade nila. Mas deeper and mas richer lang itong ginagamit ko na Wet n Wild. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to tap, 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 and then tap dito sa takip para lang ma-diffuse yung product. And then, so as you can see, it gives me that very light warmth on the face. Hindi siya yung pang pack na contour. But it just gives you that warmth on the face na very, very subtle. It's quite subtle for my skin color. Which is perfect for everyday. Kasi kung you're going for that everyday look, you don't want na parang yung very precise, very pack na contour. So this is actually perfect na pang everyday. Kasi hindi siya overwhelming. I love how, tingnan nyo ha, kahit iganyan-ganyan ko siya, hindi nakakayas or hindi nadadisturb yung powder. It's very well pressed. I feel like yung ganitong product, hindi siya mabilis maubos. Kasi hindi nakakayas or nakakalkal ng husto yung powder. Okay, next I'm gonna use Shala for that peachy glow. And ganun din siya. Hindi siya powdery. And this is very pigmented, guys. Look. Ayan o. So, hindi ko dudut-dutin yung yung product. Konting tap lang. And then, I do the tapping dito sa cap ha. Hindi ko siya tinatap off because kung gusto ko siyang balikan, I can just tap my brush back into the cap and that will give less waste on the product. Ayan. Tapos, ilalagay ko lang siya sa apples of my cheek and then blend it towards my pupunta dito sa hairline. Madali siyang i-blend. And you only need a few taps on the product para makuha mo yung color na gusto mo. Next, maglalagay tayo ng highlighter. And for my highlighter, I'm using this Vice Splendid. And I like this. Ayan siya, wow. You know, what I like about this highlighter is pwede mo siyang timplahin na subtle highlighter lang, subtle glow lang, without being too blinding. But you can also build it up into something that's very blinding and striking. So right now what I'm doing is concentrating it on the high points of my face and then blending it. Contour lang ako ng very, very light sa nose. And then gamitin natin tong si Splendid to highlight our nose. I'm just gonna use my fingers. So, dito sa tip ng nose, dito sa my bridge, para lang umangat siya at magkailong tayo. Let me just show you how this applies on my lips ng ito lang. So, close up ko lang kayo ng konti para makita nyo because I want you to see something. Okay? So, hindi siya even. Yung first application nito, medyo patchy siya. Actually. But, I found a way to make this work for me. Para mas maganda talaga yung application ni Esqueravo, gamitin natin itong lip liner na kasama nung kit. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to line my lips. And then, I'm going to fill in the rest of my lips with the liner. Kukunin ko yung Velvet Liquid lipstick and I'm going to put konti lang dito sa gitna. Just like so. And then, I'm gonna use my fingers to spread the product around. Tapos, ang gagawin ko, ibablot ko siya sa tissue. To take away the excess product. Nag-set na siya. And then, ayan. Can you see? Ayan o. Meron pa rin naman, pero very, very faint na lang yung transfer niya. So, kung ganun yung gagawin mo, you can actually make it like almost kiss-proof. Almost smudge-proof. You know? So, that's how I do it. So, this is our final look, guys. So, very fresh, very peachy. Bagay na bagay sa summer. And I love it. Ito talaga yung peg na gawin ko ngayon eh. Very pang summer, ganyan. I love it. Nagustuhan nyo ba siya? If you like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, do consider being part of my family by subscribing to my channel. Also, you can follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye! No, 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 no.